Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a rare bird of prey that lives in urban areas. The Shikra. A small bird of prey in the family Accipitridae, also called the little banded goshawk. Found widely distributed in Asia and Africa. Adult males have a reddish iris, blue-grey upper parts and fine brownish-orange bearing on the underparts. Females have a yellowish iris and brownish-grey upper parts. Juveniles are browner and streaked underparts. It hunts for a wide variety of prey in woodland, savanna and even suburban gardens, dashing out from perches within vegetation to grab its prey. Their calls are like locally named Kurulugoya. In my last video, I published pictures of the National Museum, and I also published a picture of me standing near a giant skeleton. Lot of people ask where can they find this skeleton in the National Museum. In fact, it is the Natural Science Museum in Colombo, located next to National Museum. Apart from the giant blue whale skeleton, there are many other skeletons and many more interesting things to learn at the Natural Science Museum. Don't forget to visit there.